In this video, I'll show you how to find rental properties in popular areas of Bali using just Google Maps and Street View. Let's take a look at Green Lot Residence, located in the Canggu-Kerobokan area of South Bali. Green Lot Residence is a resort-style complex of premium homes and villas in the stylish Tanah lot area. It's surrounded by international hotels and exclusive villas and is easily accessible, just 3 minutes from the legendary Tanah Lot beach and 7 minutes from the Canggu-Kerobokan area. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what area you want to search next.